It's not surprising that even the big companies, the multinational companies, indulge in business practices which are highly unethical. Now, take the case of Volkswagen, the emission case. Suppose you are its senior manager, senior executive, and your engineers tell you that there is problem with the company's emissions. So the vehicles your company is manufacturing normally do not meet the emission standards, and to stay in the market and to compete with your competitors, you have to do something. Now, you can adopt either an ethical approach or an unethical approach. The ethical approach would be to admit the problem, spend millions of dollars fixing the problem. As a consequence, you could be like you could be defeated in the race against your competitors because it may take long time. The shortcut would be to do something unethical. This is what Volkswagen did. Now, it didn't fix the problem, but it adopted something very deceptive. It fixed software that could temporarily reduce emissions while the testing would be going on. Now, for years, Volkswagen was known to be performing well on environmental front, but actually it would be polluting the environment. Eventually, the deception was caught, and the company had to pay a huge fine, and executives were caught, and its reputation fell down, and market share fell down. So, the unethical practice that you adopt eventually causes you harm. So, even from utilitarian perspective, if the long term benefit against harms is not sustainable, then it's unethical. And from other ethical perspectives as well, this action was highly unethical and deceptive. So, the lesson is that the companies, the big companies that enjoy reputation in the market should never, never, never ever indulge in malpractices.